Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the custom sunshade inside a 2012 Toyota Tundra, but this would also be custom for your vehicle. But we're going to check it out inside this Tundra and see how it looks. Now we're checking out the custom sunshade, and it comes in this nice carry bag like this. We're going to pull this out right here. And there's a lot of cheap sunshades out there, and this is a nice one. So we recommend getting a nice sunshade right here that folds out like this. I'll fold this out right here, and we'll get this put up inside. You're gonna see it folds out like this right here, and then goes around your mirror like that, and then you can flop this down right here. Now you can see right now I have it with the silver side down. You would actually want to do the opposite during the summer months, and in the winter months you'd flip that around because the silver side down will keep the heat inside your vehicle a little bit better. And then in the summer months, when you don't want the heat inside your vehicle, you're going to actually flip that back around. And it's so important to keep a sunshade around and keep the sun off of your seats, because there's nothing quite like the sun that will damage your seats. And it just folds up like an accordion like that right here. Okay, just every other right there. And I like a sunshade that has nice stiff boards inside of it right there, because then it looks a lot better when it's up there. It's not all crinkly and wrinkles everywhere. So it folds up like that. It can go back into your sleeve like this. And again, like I was saying, the sun will just beat down on your seats, on your seat covers as well, and just cause everything to fade, and your dash will crack down the road, and your interior all just gets really damaged from the sun. So to protect your interior, one of the best things you can do is get a good sunshade, especially if you're parking your vehicle outdoors or not in a garage, or maybe when you're at work and the sun's beating down inside your vehicle. Grab a sunshade. It's not that much cost, but it really helps prevent interior damage. So you can see the custom sunshade for your vehicle at Covers Camo. Again, see coversandcamo.com for more vehicle accessories like this to protect your interior. Again, see more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, if you'd like to see more videos like this, jump over to coversandcamo.com, because we offer interior accessories to protect the interiors on your vehicles, whether it be trucks, UTVs, or another vehicle. We're happy to help. Again, you can see more at coversandcamo.com.